pump of that. Oh my God. I have the bilge pump in pump of that. This is what the sump pump's gonna be basically on top of to drill into. There we go. Ooh. So there's the panel down there. That little up panel says up. There's two of those cut and stacked and glued in down there with 4200. And that's what the bilge pump here, and then the manual bilge and the electronic bilge pump will be mounted to. So the next thing is now I'm going to tackle that chain box locker panel to put the rubber on there. So let's go up and do that with the 4200. So we're back into this here. This is again the rubber panel on top of the chain locker panel. So we're gonna 4200 this bad burner down. Not sponsored by 3M. Marine would be nice. No, I paid full price for this stuff. Anyways. Just gonna try and really get some of the air bubbles out. I don't know how else to do it. Hey, so one of the other things we're going to try and tackle today too is the vents on the boat. So there's these things, they sit up on the deck and the air comes in and then it goes down into a box, and even if water comes in, the box allows it to drain out, and then the air goes up and over and down into the boat. So it prevents water from entering the boat, but allows airflow. And so I clean these all up. I'm going to scuff them up a little bit and put a primer coat on them, and then paint them nice and white on the outside, and then repaint that red. You can kind of see a little bit of it left in there, and repaint the insides red. Just make it kind of flashy on the boat. But something else I need to do, and today's a nice day, so I should be able to paint these. Hey, we'll do something a little different today. We're gonna go, actually I got laundry and Wanagi's in the car, so I figured we just, because we're gonna try and get away from the boat today a little bit, at least go do laundry, take Kerr for a walk, play in the park, or just get out in the woods or nature, or do something by the water. I don't know. I'm having some coffee and then gonna go throw my laundry in the dryer and we'll head. Cool. Let's go. It's kind of a gloomy day. Not really gloomy. Let's say it's kind of a Washington day. Did I get everything? Yep. There's Wanagi down there in the car. You can kind of see her in the front seat. She's staring at us. Okay, she's not pissed. She likes hanging out in there, actually. And whenever we go for walks, I always put her in there because it helps dry her out. Right? Hey, you. She won't look at us. She's ignoring us like we're not there. Wanagi! Hey, homie, what are you doing? You're a good girl. Yeah, you are. What's up, buddy? Yeah. What's up? What are you doing? Okay. Move over. Watch out. Come on. I'm getting in. Watch out. Good girl. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Thanks for the ass shot, honey. There you go. Okay. So this is Bellingham off in the distance. Up on the hillside over there. That's all Bellingham. Runs out all the way here. This is Bellingham Harbor or Sequoia Bay or something like that. But basically it's the city of Bellingham. And my sailboat's just on the other side of this little like jetty thing. It's a big water retaining wall, and my boat's actually, seriously, my boat is right about there on the other side of that wall on the hard over there. Oh. Hey, good morning. So don't get to make videos, folks. This way without fucking dropping it.